Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to save contact directly to your Google account in order to secure the contact and not to lose some of the contact even if you change your phone or you lost your phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and open up settings right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Google right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your Google name. Proceed to Google account. Scroll down right here until you get to people and sharing. Go ahead and click on contacts. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Click on create contacts. So here, enter the contact name, enter the last name, company name, job title, email address, then come down below right here, enter the phone number. Once you are done, go ahead and click on save right here, and the contact will be saved into your Google account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.